Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I will show you how to create beautiful eye digitally like this in Procreate. Watch till the end, I will show you step-by-step procedure. So whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist, you can easily draw like this. Just follow the steps. So let's get started.
So I have already sketched the first step which you need to do as well, but make sure one thing, this is a very important thing, that your sketch should be correct properly and it look nice. And you need to know one thing, that which color and which color you're going to use it and where you have to place that color. So like this way I have I have think about it, that I was already thinking that where I have to place this color and which color I'm going to use. That's it. So I'm going to copy this one, the sketch part. I'm going to separate these things and I'm going to do these things like a color step by step because I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to use a different layer for that. You don't need to use it like a different color for that. Just make sure the sketch will be the one layer and the color will be the different layer. If it's a vector art, then you can use a different color and different layers. For each and every color in vector art, you need to use a different color, and if it's a realistic art, then you can use it in a single layer but not in the sketch layer. Sketch layer should be different for all kind of paintings in a digital art. So I'm using the black color first. So I know like where I have to use the black color. You can follow this like a step, you can check it out. You know where you have to place the black color, or dark blue you can use it, but black should be good. So I'm going to do this, but you need to follow this step, that if you draw like this, the same what I have already draw on, like you can draw the same things, and you can check it out like watching this video where you need to place the black color. So let me fill up the black color one first. Check it out step by step. I'm not going to cut the video. I'm going to show you step by step. It will take some time, so I'm going to just fast forward for this color. So you just drag the fill up the outline. First of all, make the outline and drag the color. That's it. That's how you need to do it. If there is any mistakes, you need to just fill up it by using pencil. That's it. So you have to do it like this way. Check it out where I'm going to use this black color. You have to follow the same step. Okay, so let me do these things first. So I have completed the first color, which is black. So in this like a tutorial, I'm going to use the different layer for the skin tone. Okay, so because I'm not going to merge the things together. So black color I have used. Now I'm going to use the darker color for the skin. So this is the darker one for this painting. I'm going to use it, and first I'm going to draw where I have to place. I have just drawn the outline first, and I'm going to drag the color. So make sure you have to use the same things but the outline should be correct properly. So I made some mistakes maybe. Okay, I'm done. Okay, see, this is the darker color where I know that I have to place the this color here as well. As I told you, if you know where you have to fill up, which color you have to fill up, and if you already a sketch like this, you need to do the same thing, same color, so it will look good and it will look amazing. Don't worry, stay and watch till the end. You will get to see the painting will be amazing and it look almost real. So this is the best easy way to draw digitally. So just do it. Don't think about much, do it. You can do it, that's not a problem. So I'm going to use the same layer. I'm going to use the same layer for this same same color. A different color I'm going to use it, but as I told you earlier, that if you are going to draw in vector art format, you need to use a different layer for different color. So make sure I'm not going to draw like a vector art. I'm just going to draw for for your guidance. So I'm not going to like create a different layers for a different color, but if you want you can do it, that's not a problem. I'm going to draw with the in the same layer. For the every color I'm going to use for the same layer, but only black color I'm going to use a different layer. That's easy for me to draw. Otherwise it will be little bit different, difficult for me as well. So you can draw like this. Just watch it and step by step process. So second color I'm using, and on the same layer as I told you, I'm just going to make sure the border line should be correct. Then I'm going to drag the color. So let me do these things. Check it out this things properly and do it as I'm doing. So let me fill up this color. As I told you, outline, or else if you want you can draw it, like you can fill it up with the pencil, with the help of pencil as well. That's not a problem, you can do it. That's like not a big deal. I hope you already check like how I place the color and which color I used. Do let me know in the comment section. I have just create this like color palette for this painting. It's not, it's maybe it's a 5 to 6 color I already used, but it's for the skin tone. You can just check it out like with the color palette. And if you need to like if you need to know which color exactly I'm using and you want to use the same color, do let me know in the comment section. I will send it to you the color code so you can use it the same color. See, I told you like see already I have like almost 80% done with this this tutorial. I'm going to use two more or two colors more for the skin tone, and this is the easy way to draw, either because this is the only eye portion I'm drawing it. But for example, if you are going to draw like the whole portrait, like a whole face, if you are going to draw, you can do it like this way. This is the best and easy way. This called like till now this art called vector art format. But in vector art format you don't need to do in the same layer. You can use a different layer for a different color, because it's not good, because like at the end I'm going to merge all the color which is look like a realistic. That's why I'm not I didn't use the different layer. I am using same layer for the skin tone, but I'm going to use the same color, not the same color, I'm going to use a different color but in the same layer. So you have to do it like this way. This is the easiest format to draw. Like I hope the tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any problem for creating layers, how to create layers, and how to use the color for the skin tone and which color I'm using, please do let me know. It's a humble request to you, because I have like I told you several times that I need your feedback, that if it's helpful, really helpful for you, do let me know. It's a it's kind of motivation, so I will get from you. Then I can do something more creative. I can do something a more easy tutorial for you. I can make those videos for you. And please do let me know in the comment section as well that what I have to draw next time. I was trying to draw like something a little bit objects, like small objects which you can yesterday I uploaded one video, maybe like which is like how to draw lips realistic way. This is the eye, how you can draw like this way. I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of painting easily. So I'm going to use eye for the middle portion, and it's I'm going to use a different, not a different layer, on the black color layer which I used, and I'm going to use this color black. I have to just make it this portion. See, it's look totally amazing still now. Forget about this, because just do it like this way. I'm going to merge it anyway, no problem with this. See, like it's look real almost. But this is called actually this painting called vector art format till now. If you are going to merge it like properly with the help of this brush, you can you can draw it like realistic way, which is look like a realistic. So I'll show you how you can draw a realistic portrait or realistic painting in Procreate. I'm going to upload some videos for you guys for your reference how you can draw. I was like trying to upload in this week, but please, if you like the format which I'm creating, if you like my artwork which I'm which I show it to you guys, please do subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comments. And if you share with your families who wants to learn Procreate, who wants to learn digital art, please share my channel link or else some videos. That will be great for me. And I would like to know your feedback, please. It's a humble request again, I'm telling you. So I'm almost done. I hope you can check. So but if you are going to just do the middle portion, blur it, and every section which the color it's different from other color, the skin tone, if you're going to blur those things, the painting should be in realistic way. So you can do it like that way, that's not a problem. But I think I'm done with this painting, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next video. And for now, bye for now. And I'll get back to you soon. I'll something I need to hear from you something in my comment section. Bye bye for now.